Hello you guys, I'm back today. Today is April, I believe it's April 18th, Saturday, April 18th, 9:30 p.m. The reason I'm saying that is because this is actually a continuation of my previous video about getting into ketosis quicker. So what I was supposed to do was to come back and show you guys the progress that I had made it from last night to tonight. So the plan is a little bit different now, okay? Let me tell you how. I actually was able to get out of ketosis. Now I'm still fasting. I believe I'm on 20 hours as of right now. The last time I ate, my thing said around 1 o'clock in the morning last night. I was up late. So, but I thought that I had something after then. So I'm actually going to make sure that I at least go till 12 tonight, just to be sure, because I thought I had something else. And sometimes you go and forget about your little fasting app. You know what I'm saying? So just to be on the safe side and make sure that I know I have 18 hours, I'm going to wait a little bit longer. Okay? I'm pretty sure I probably do, but I'm just going to wait to be on the safe side. But the only thing I did have today was something to drink and some energy drinks. And of course, they brought me down from out of the ketosis state. And as you can see, we're here to the zero. Never been happy to see the zero before. So, okay, you guys. Now, this is 18 hours in. So now you seeing that you're seeing with your own eyes. 18 hours, nothing, okay? I actually did register on here today. But once you drink something, or you drink not something, but once you drink like an energy drink or something, it will go down. So what will happen is tonight I'll probably eat around I probably should eat a little bit earlier. I'm thinking, yeah, I could just go ahead and eat at 10 o'clock. And tomorrow eat again at 10 o'clock. Okay, so that's going to be 24 hours. And before 12 o'clock, I can do my video and I can show you exactly where the ketosis is going to be at. Now for tomorrow, I'm not going to consume any. Well, actually, I wasn't supposed to today, but I did want you guys to see it starting off. Because I know that if you don't take anything in, it's just going to jump and jump and jump. And you'll probably be lost or feel like you're not doing something right. So I actually did want to start it off where my whole plan was to show you guys from zero in the first place. So I just went on ahead today. When I seen it was at 5%, I took it on down so I can show you guys from the real beginning. Okay? So no more sugar. Okay, I will have no more sugar tomorrow at 12 o'clock. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna show you the results for ketosis for one full day. This is what I wanted to see in the last video, the first day. Okay, the first day. So you guys are gonna see where your ketosis will be at if you do a 24-hour fast from day to day, okay? And that's all I was coming in to say. This is a real quick, real short video. Oh, and another reason I wanted to start over to you guys and show you from the beginning is because I didn't tell you something. When you eat your meal, don't be afraid to use butter. When you're on a keto diet, butter is your friend. Butter is not the enemy, okay? It helps you, I'm not going to say get into, but it helps you maintain, okay? And not only butter, but coconut oil. not only coconut oil, but MCT oil, which MCT oil is only a derivative of the coconut oil. In my opinion, do not go with that MCT oil. It really, really hurts my stomach. Okay, and I don't really get results like that. The results I get is just pain and torture. Okay, so I just get some regular coconut oil. This one right here, not my favorite brand, but it's non-GMO and it's organic, so that works. And this is my personal drinking coconut oil. So here's what I do. I drink about 4 seconds worth. Boom. Okay. And I'll probably do that like once at the beginning of the day, and depend if I stay up after 12 o'clock, I'll do it again. Okay, so you can do that once or twice a day. Okay, so make sure you're drinking coconut oil too, because I forgot to put that in there. Coconut oil, I feel that it does help kind of ease you, get you on in there. I really do. So make sure you got your coconut oil. If you don't have no coconut oil, it's cool. Just make sure you're doing the fast. Okay, it's still cool. You still good. You still gonna reach ketosis. So tomorrow night, the plan is for us to be into ketosis in 24 hours from 10 o'clock tonight to 10 o'clock tomorrow night. Tomorrow I will come back. I will show you the results. So thank you for tuning in. Sorry that this ain't going exactly if you watched the other one and you're waiting for the results for today, but this is from scratch, so this is gonna be way better. It's exactly how I wanted it to be. So thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and like too.